Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. A Manhattan Bound 7 train approaching Hunters Point Avenue.
Memories, memories. From one memory to the other. And for the most part, I didn't want to know. Is it these memories of who I was and where I lived are important to me? Is it
Now check it out.
Check what out? Yo, check this out.
Yo, microphone check 1, 2. What is this? The 5-foot assassin with the roughneck business. I float like gravity, never had a cavity. Got more rhymes than the one that's got family. No need to sweat Arsenio to gain some type of fame. No shame in my game, cause I always be the same. Styles upon styles upon styles is what I have. You wanna just to fight for, but you still don't know the half. I sport New Balance sneakers to avoid a narrow path. Messing around with this to catch the size of the. I never have stuff cause I'm not a half stepper. Drink a lot of soda so they call me Dr. Pepper. Refuse to compete with BS competition. Your name is special ed, so won't you suckle with the mission? I never walk the street, think it's all about me. Even though deep in my heart, it really could be. I just try my best to like go all out. Some might even say you're shorty black, you're bugging out.
Zulu Nation, mother's last creation. Minds get flooded, ejaculation, right on the 2-inch tape.
The abstract poet incognito, see I run the cape, not the best, not the worst, but occasionally I curse to get my point across. So bust the floors as I go in between the grit and the dirt. Listen to the mission, listen as I do work, as I crack up that monotone.
Rows and flows of angel hair and ice cream castles in the air and feather canyons everywhere. Looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and they snow on everyone. so many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's cloud illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds. At all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way that you feel as every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at love that way, but now it's just another show, and you leave them laughing when you go. And if you can, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from give and take, and still somehow it's love's illusions that I recall. I really don't know love. I really don't know love at all.
I always remember the day older. Forever afterwards, memories, memories. Is it? And for the most part, I do not want to know.